Some of you guys were interested in the new Baja Design lights I put into the bumper. You saw that they were on and being my previous video I just put up. So I wanted to make a little video kind of showing the quality, why I chose that, and how I installed them onto the Xterra. I would like to first apologize that a lot of the footage that is done with the fog lights is all on my phone. I didn't film anything with my camera on the install or anything when I got them. I kind of just made a quick reel and had some footage that I took on my iPhone, so I'm just trying to use that. The first set of Xterras have these factory fog light spots, and if you don't have fog lights, they just come with these little inserted cover sections. So all I did was cut the slotted part out just so it's an open hole, and kind of use the file to clean it up. And the Baja Designs Squadron R's with the round faceplate fit perfect in this spot. I used the bracket and the hardware that it came with to mount to the bottom of the bumper and make sure the light was as deep as the insert touched the front of the light. Now for the harness, I just tied it up nice and neat behind the bumper and used part of the chassis and the existing harnesses to run the loom and the harness up the rad support and then get it to the battery area. I checked to make sure that it worked. I then ran it into the grommet along with the wiring harness to then get it into behind the dash where I could mount the light right in one of the existing spots for the auxiliary lights, and I think they came out great. The lights are very, very bright. I'm really happy with the quality of the Baja Design lights. I like how the kit comes with the harness. I like actual switch to use, and I'm very happy that it fits perfectly with the existing spots in the dashboard that the Xterra has for the auxiliary lights. And I think I'm going to use Baja Designs for the remainder of this build. When I get a new coastal off-road bumper, I'm just going to replace the circle Squadron R faceplate with a square one, and I'll just insert the light in the new coastal off-road bumper. And I think I'm going to use Baja lights for the rest of this build. I have a bunch of new stuff in store I'm adding to the truck very, very soon that I will be either fabricating myself, having other people fabricate, or putting on. So stay tuned to see the new things that will happen. As always, like the video, subscribe, and thank you for watching Xterra.